Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So the car is still not fixed. In the last video I went to a car meet. On the way back the car started acting up again. It's funny because I pretty much drove it for 3 straight days and everything was fine, and then out of nowhere the car just starts to act up, having like hiccup symptoms, pauses. It actually even stalled on me at a red light. So you know what, I'm done. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I'm going. I'm trying to do my best, doing things on my own, and it's not working out. So today I will be taking the car to a shop and hopefully they can figure out what it is. I've already talked to my friend Justin, who works at a car shop, and he seems to think it's a vacuum leak. So vacuum leak, boost leak, whatever kind of leak. The car has a leak and that's why it's having issues. So they got the proper tools. I don't. They know what they're doing. I don't. So let's go see if we can figure this out. So we made it to the shop. Car didn't act up at all the whole way here, which is funny because every time I take it somewhere to get it checked out, it runs fine. But we're here at CarTune, and let's see if they find any vacuum leaks or something with it. See what's wrong.
But it makes sense because they put a gnarly ass clutch in it.
Yeah, they do like it.
You put a gnarly fucking twin disc in there or whatever.
Gnarly clutch and a little Japanese guy can push the pedal down.
Give me a vacuum booster.
Alright, so yeah, go for it.
Try a different line. Let me grab that red one. Now, because that one was leaking pretty good.
Yep, air comes out through here. Huh.
Diaphragm.
So, old crusty part.
Can't really see much in there.
Of course, it's 30 years old.
Yeah.
3 hours later.
They ended up swapping out the clutch vacuum booster, which it was one of the things that was on the list that I was gonna swap out. But again, I don't have the experience. I've never done this before, and the brake vacuum booster had to be removed along with maybe a few vacuum lines, and I didn't feel comfortable doing that, so I never got around doing it. But I've had the clutch vacuum booster. I ordered that thing like 3-4 months ago, and I brought it along with me, and I just haven't to mention it to them, and they're like, yep, that's your vacuum leak right there. So Jeff went ahead and swapped it out, and now I'm taking it for a test drive. Right away, car feels good. So let's hope that was the issue. So yeah, hopefully that was the issue, and I am done worrying about this car because I've literally done everything from fuel pump, fuel filter, injectors, coil packs, to the crank angle sensor, and nothing. So it is about time to start driving the car and enjoying it finally after 3 years. So if you guys are located in SoCal, San Diego, and you guys need a place to take the car, take it to CarTune, ask for Justin or Jeff, and they'll hook you up. Tell them I sent you. Alright guys, so I'm going through all my fuses right now. I'm pretty much doing anything I can. And I found this one right here. This one is a 15, and check it out. Check this thing out. How weird does that look? Come on, check it out. Freaking, it looks like that thing exploded. Look at that. Like, it's not blown. It's still good right there, but this, however, doesn't look too good. So that's a 15. I'm gonna swap it out with this one. I had an extra one laying around. I'm just curious, what is that? That is the second to last. I don't know, but I'm gonna replace it because, yeah, this thing does not look good. So a lot of you were asking me if I still have my stock ECU, and the answer is yes. This is the stock ECU, I believe. Could be causing me my issue. All right, guys, so we're gonna go for a test drive, and I'm gonna show you guys how the car acts with the ECU that my buddy let me borrow. So this is gonna be cold start, and there's the ECU, and my old one's back here. So the one that he has says, it says, what does it say? June auto mechanic. So we don't know if this ECU is tuned, but it should be a stock ECU. And let me show you the first startup. Bam. Fires up nicely. Not that mine didn't, but I have noticed that the car starts a lot quicker with this ECU. So yeah, we're gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna get some clips and show you guys the RPMs, show you guys how it drives and how it sounds, and then maybe we can come down with a conclusion about what's wrong with the car. Pretty low, but not nearly as low as it gets with my ECU. You guys see that? So that was one of the things that the car would do every single stop. If I came down from a high idle, it would very come close to stalling, and now it just sits right at 1K, or it'll go like maybe 600, the lowest, but not nearly as close as when I'm driving with my ECU. So right away notice the difference. I'm gonna do a little rev at the red light so you guys can see that the idle stays. And then I've been driving the car for like 7 days now, and no hiccup, like no little pauses, no little hiccups. The car just goes, but like there's no little issues. It just, if you're just wanting to drive the car, it'll drive. And with my stock ECU, I would get like little hiccups and like almost like misfires. So yeah, that's one of the major differences I've noticed right away. The idle stays and the car doesn't hesitate or have little random hiccups while I'm just cruising. I don't necessarily need to be under boost for the car to do that. And then another thing is I haven't experienced the car stalling at red lights when I'm just chilling. So I think I'm gonna do the rev part right here. Let me show you guys RPM. See that? It stays right there. And then before, like all my little lights would turn on, and then either the car would die or it'll jump back up. But it stays now. There. That is the lowest that the idle will go. I don't know why, but with my ECU, just right there, I'm pretty sure the car would have stalled. So my buddy isn't using his ECU. He's going with like a complete build on his car, and he had this stock one with the sticker on it. So we don't know if the car's ECU has been messed with or not. But he's like, you're welcome to use it. And so I went ahead and gave it a try, and then this is the result. This is the reason why I don't want to go into boost just yet, because if the car is mapped for a higher octane like in Japan, and I'm running on this shitty 91, I'm gonna blow up my motor, and I don't want to do that. But I don't know, what do you guys think? ECU problem? I mean, all I did was swap it. Look, neutral, RPM stays, and then yeah, idle's pretty fine, no issues. Girl, did you wake up? Just looking at the camera. So we came to the park really quick, got some burritos. That's hers right there, and then mine's in here. So yeah, I've been driving the car around with my buddy's ECU. At this point, I don't know if the ECU is tuned or not, so I'm not really pushing the car. I've been driving it for, I want to say, maybe a week already. Right now the car feels exactly the way it should. As soon as I started the car up, I did an idle test where like I would rev the RPMs. I think I got them up to like 5 or 6, and then just let them drop, and then went straight down to 1K, which is perfect. I think that's what it should be doing. If I was on my stock ECU and I did that, I know the car would stall. The idle was just not holding up, so right away I noticed a big difference. And then as I was driving, the car felt so much smoother. There were no more hiccups, no more pauses. Like I said, I did not go into boost, but I did drive it around a lot and it felt so much better. So hopefully it was the ECU. I would have to get myself a new ECU. I'm gonna keep driving the car for a few more days. Hopefully that is the issue, but like I said, right away I felt the idle. With the idle not dropping, car not stalling, to me that is a fix. So I hope you guys all had a good Christmas and hope you guys are ready for the New Year's. Right now we're gonna have breakfast, and I got this from one of my buddies, Cali Trees. If you guys are into Pokemon stuff, he opens a lot of Pokemon cards on his channel. Go check him out, show him some love. So I think he gave us something here, so I'm gonna open this. I think I know what it is, but we're gonna open it on the channel. Got a little Reese's tree chocolate right there. Let's see what we got. All right, I see you with some sleeves. Need these sleeves right there. And so we got Fusion Strike. Nice. I hope I get this Gengar because that's my favorite card right there. So let's open this up really quick. Let's see what we get. Again, like I said, if you guys are interested in Pokemon stuff, go ahead and check out his channel. He does Pokemon stuff all the time. He's getting good at it. So let's do the little card trick. And here we go. Fire. I don't know a lot of these, but let's see what we can get. Eevee, Shinx, ooh, a reverse Pancham, and an Electrode. Oh well. That's cool though. I always appreciate a booster box, a booster set, a booster pack. Like I said, I really need these right here, so yep. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish you guys a happy New Year's, and like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.